Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Discord application via mobile phone. First of all, we have to download and start the application. This is the welcome screen. As a welcome to Discord, we press login. We enter our email like this. We can use the password here, or when it's already saved, you can just press it like that, and we just log in. It will take a while. It will automatically open the direct messages or the server is completely up to you. When you want to leave or log out, you just press the bottom right corner where your photo is. You have to scroll all the way down and press log out, and you are back on the welcome screen. That's about it. I think it's very easy and hopefully it helped you. So thanks a lot for watching and see you on the next video.